All right, everybody, welcome to Doug Treks It Out. In this one, we're going to be going to Deerfield Nature Park Loop. On the All Trails app, it says it's 3.2 miles. I don't know if you can see that. There we go, yeah. We're taking Duke with us this time. He's a little fat and old, so it's a nice short trail that he'll be able to keep up with. But yeah, we're on the way now. All right, we're here at Deerfield Nature Park. Duke is ready to go. We hear some people playing disc golf off in the distance, but we're at the trailhead and it's gonna start now. He's peeing on everything. The Chippewa River. Nice. Oh wow, we're already at the bridge.
I've never been over one of these before.
He doesn't like the wooden guy.
Okay, sister.
I'll go. I didn't read one. Therefore, it does not exist. It's really pretty.
God, please don't go that way. Please, God, don't go that way. Alright, we have a problem.
Come on, Dookie. Come on.
Can you? Holy shit. Duke. I don't like this. You take that. You can do it. Okay, good.
Good boy, Duke. Come on. He's terrified. The poor dog.
Yeah.
Come on.
Scary, huh? Yeah. That's scary, huh? He's like, this nice lady's gonna save me. Yeah. This nice lady's gonna save me. Mm-hmm. Keep going, buddy. It's not far now.
Come on. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Keep going.
He climbed it, no problem.
Yeah.
I was impressed by that. I didn't even think about. You made it. Yeah, you made it.
Holy smokes. That's cool.
The ground is bouncing. Good job, Dookie. Good job. Make up for green.
Come on, bud. All right, back at it. Had to clean up Duke's shit. That's not gonna be in the edit. Good boy, Doogie. It's cool. Fall is beginning. I feel like having Duke is gonna be good, because when I was editing the last video, I was just hearing myself breathe during the entire video, and it was kind of driving me a little crazy. But I'm like, what are you gonna do? It's just like part of the video, you know what I mean? There's no way to avoid that. But now instead of listening to me breathe, they're gonna be hearing Duke breathe. So it just kind of, you can't be mad at a dog either, you know what I mean? We'll just pivot it over. Pivot. It's very well marked. Got the orange reflective diamonds put in the trees.
This is a county park, so you need a day pass or annual pass to get in.
Yep. The state rec park pass doesn't do it. What did we pay? $6?
Yeah. For a day.
Yeah. We paid $6 for a day pass. I don't remember what she said the prices for everything else was, but. So we parked at the north end. There. And we're coming around this direction, maybe? I don't remember. Where are we at? You are here. There. Yes, it's got us going this way. It's weird that you can have like uprooted trees, ferns, swampland, and then just a little bit over here, what looks like barren, dry woods. That's crazy. It's like on one side, Jurassic World. On the other side, apocalyptic dead earth woods. The difference in the terrain from left to right. It's pretty cool. Come on, Dookie. There you go. You got a lot more to go. Keep that heart strong, buddy. You're getting old on me. It's like, I'm not old. Look at me go. See that? Yeah, I did that. Some loud chipmunks and squirrels. Or squirrels. Whatever the hell that was. Good boy, Dookie. Good boy. Good boy. I think he's gonna sleep the whole way home. Oh yeah. This would be the perfect place to come to hammock tent. Hammock tent camp. There you go.
Hammock camping?
I felt like there was words missing there. It's like, wait, that's not a sentence. Got another sign. You are here. I should maybe check the All Trails app.
And if not, we can just
All right. We're coming up on like a turn thingy all the way down there. Already got a third done. It's pretty cool.
Sometimes there's so many acorns on the ground, it feels like you're walking over a sea of marbles.
What a time to be a squirrel. Never got to fight for a nut. It's just everywhere. All right. Take Duke. All right, we're back at it. Very, very pretty woods. All right, yeah, we're taking River Loop. Okay, yeah. I guess there's a river up ahead, and we're gonna follow along the side of the river for a good while, and then that should dump us back into the parking lot. All right, we're on Blue Diamonds, an orange to blue. I don't think I told my dad about the YouTube channel yet. Oh. Ice cream should hold us over until we get home. And maybe we'll get Indian because it's, I think it's in the same plaza or like near, I know it's near the same plaza as the Indian restaurant, the store that we want to go to. I don't know.
Is it alright if I pet him?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You're such a handsome guy.
Yeah, somebody just put him in our yard.
Yeah, we think he's like a Dane.
Lucky you guys.
Yeah. He was all skin and bones when we found him. Now he's a sausage.
Well, very good. I hope you guys have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good one. That was an employee. They got good employees here. Sounds cool.
Like people in general seem friendly because those other two girls that we passed earlier had them too.
Yeah. So if you're still watching this video, the park people, very, very nice. The park goers, in our experience so far, very, very nice. And definitely dog acceptable. Some places aren't very keen on dogs. I'm not very keen on those places.
I think for this trail, I've seen online that they don't allow dogs while the path is snow covered.
Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. telling dumb people not to bring your dogs out here and freeze their paw pads. It's sad they had to make a rule about that.
I don't know why, I just had this image in my head of Duke all decked out in winter gear. He's got like little winter booties
Little
on,
red
a
wings.
winter coat. Little winter booties. Winter coat, little beanie on him.
A parka.
Skiing glasses.
Some orange, like, ski pants. And a blue parka.
The French fry, when you're supposed to pizza, you're gonna have a bad time.
We just stay on blue till almost the end.
I can't believe that it's the end of September and it still feels this hot out. Like it should not be in the 70s at all.
Yeah, that is weird.
Be cooling off in like the 60s and 50s. Because I swear, on October 1st or October 31st, now that I think about it, I can't remember, but always some flurries.
Yep.
First or 31st, that's a big difference.
I remember when I moved from Texas to Ohio, I want to say it was the end of September. It was like 20 degrees that day. And there was like 2 foot of snow on the ground.
Oh my god. Yeah, it smells so good. Smells like a bonfire.
Freshly cut wood.
But yeah, it definitely like September time was the time for light jackets. And
Yeah.
like preparing to get cold as like when school started up and it was already chilly out for sure.
Sweater weather.
Yeah. And now it seems like we just skip right over the sweater weather and it's like warm freezing. And then it takes forever to warm up
Yeah.
in the spring. Or like, actually no. This year it warmed up really fast, but it couldn't make up its mind. It was like warm freezing.
Yep. Sorry about that. Battery died. Reconnected. Alright. Back to it. At least the camera says beep. Battery dying. Well, I guess it doesn't say battery dying out loud, but like you look at the screen, it tells you. It'd be terrible to just not hear it or not pay attention and then go back to the car and all the video you think you just collected isn't there. So I'm wondering how to record the Isle Royal trip. Like, do I just get a couple more 1 terabyte sticks and
I think that's probably
do it like a diary blog, like journal blog?
Yeah, that's what I would say.
Or do I just do like all the footage and just release it like, I don't know, chapters?
I would imagine that I would like separate it into days. Like fill up a whole stick, label the stick days, 1 through whatever. And then, put another stick. I would do like probably commentary in the morning and the night. And maybe throughout if there's anything special going on or taking a break or whatever.
Can't think. Hello. like each day would be an episode, and then I can edit down the boring stuff like I do now.
Yeah, I would say yeah, probably like that. I would say like day one would be a full episode, and then you have another slightly shorter one, day one highlights, and then maybe even a shorter one, like favorite clips from day one. And I'm sure by then you'll have more experience with editing and what you like, and even like watching other YouTube videos and noting what you like to see in other videos.
Yeah.
Seeing what you can replicate, things that hold your attention.
I don't know. I don't watch this type of stuff on YouTube.
It doesn't have to be this type of stuff.
Oh yeah, I guess I could take some inspiration.
Any video and just use the format.
Yeah, take inspiration.
So they did an introduction, then they gave commentary, then they sped up through this, slowed it down at that intro. You know, just use it as a template. That's what I would do. That's exactly what I would do.
Yeah.
Like, for example, I used that with the cover letter that I wrote for Peter, and I had to write my own, so I kind of just copy and pasted his, but then changed it for all my stuff, even though it's a completely different job and everything. I could just use like, okay, so I talked about this, and then that, and then that.
Yeah. Yeah. I cannot wait for that trip.
It's gonna be awesome to have footage of it too, to like look back on and like show families so they can actually see what it's like there, besides just the fractions that we could show them through pictures and short videos that we took over there.
Yeah. I just wish I would have thought to have the camera before we went the first time and capture like our genuine first impressions and amazements. And
you could even, like, for our purposes, put like all of the footage onto a disc or something. Just have like literally all of it.
One big movie.
Yeah. I know, that's right.
Yeah.
Just like how you would back in the day, like, you know, when you took your own wedding video and your own home videos and stuff.
I get run over while I'm at work or something, and you, being the grieving girlfriend, has tons of video that you can pop a bottle of wine and pop into the DVD player and cry while you watch.
Okay, well, I really hope that doesn't ever happen.
Or, you know, the two of us together could just pop a bottle of wine, put in our video, and get drunk and watch it.
It's our 20-year anniversary. Let's, you remember this one trip that was great?
Yeah. I kind of forget it. Memory not so good no more.
Oh, look how young we were.
Move over. Move over. Yeah, you're gonna make me step on your tootsies.
If I was a gnome, I'd live in there. It's perfect.
I think his roof is messed up. Oh, it looks like it catches rainwater and pours it on his head.
Maybe there's some color in there somewhere. Maybe it's not a complete hole.
So, I like this trail so far. I like the lack of people, but the people that we do see are like super cool.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice. It's quiet.
It gives you that getaway feeling.
Yeah, it does. Like as soon as we started walking it, I already knew that I would come here again.
Yeah.
I really liked that bridge in the beginning.
Yeah.
Besides Duke trying to commit suicide.
We can go walk on it again before we leave. Because I would like to.
Yeah. Maybe we can get a picture. I was even thinking maybe sometimes on these hikes, if I feel like it, I can bring a tripod. I didn't feel like bringing my camera much either, but
Yeah.
if I have the tripod, I can set it up and use my phone and get some nice pictures of it.
Yeah. It takes 4K video too, right?
Yeah.
We could set up the tripod and then, like, as we're walking, have it behind us taking some video of us walking together off into the distance.
Yeah.
Then we turn around and get it.
Yeah, we could do that.
That Les Stroud way of doing things. It's one of the TV shows, like Survival Dude or whatever. He was called Survivor Man. I can't remember, but he was the guy that carried all his own camera gear, recorded all the footage himself. So he was like truly alone in the bush. He was my favorite. Duke's like, another human. Maybe this human will help me. These ones are making me walk. Can I come with you?
Oh, covered bridge trail.
Yeah. So it's like a little T in the trail. Just come down here and check out the covered bridge. So we'll end up having to double back and go that direction. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
You guys are doing photos? Yeah. All right, we won't get in your way.
Oh, you're fine.
We're following a trail that's gonna make us double back. We just wanted to come and take a look.
We're doing a scene change. You guys are fine.
It's cool. You guys have a good day.
You too.
Come on, Duke.
I'm really glad that I brought clean clothes to change into.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really glad that I bought that bidet. So when I get home, that thing's cleaning up this swamp ass. It's gonna feel really nice. Be cool to be a dog. His perception is like, holy crap, these people came all the way out here in the woods to see me. Hi guys, and they keep going. He's like, awesome. I wonder if anyone else came here to see me. At least that's what I think is going on in his head. That's what's going on in my head.
I'd rather be a cat.
Yeah.
Sleep a lot. Sundays. Unlimited pets. Only when I want them.
Yeah. You live a lot longer than a dog.
I can be an asshole and that's fine.
Yeah.
Knock shit off the counter. I'm not in trouble.
Yeah. You can be a complete dick and everyone will still love you. Unless you get the bad family.
And I guess I'll just be an outside cat. Look, who's that? Are you drinking currently?
Yeah.
easy. I can just drink it.
I don't know if I would drink that.
Probably not.
I mean, I would filter it.
There's a cool idea. Yeah, I feel like that shouldn't be bubbling up like that. It should probably be
Well,
like a drain for...
I think it is supposed to be that way. Because looking at all the pictures on all trails, they all have that thing doing that.
But why is there water put off? No.
Yeah, I don't know. That is weird. You would think like if that was the way it's supposed to be, that you wouldn't have a drinking nozzle in there that doesn't work.
Right.
But whatever, it was cool.
That would have been refreshing to drink some cold water.
Yeah. I've got ice cold water in my thermos in the truck. No, I can't do that. I'll get sued like Vanilla Ice did. Vanilla Ice is one of those guys that you really, really want to hate, but you can't. He's so cheesy. Funny. He's got his own TV show on HGTV. Like, I can't remember what it's called, but he's like remodeling houses. And it's actually pretty cool. He's not doing like the typical like making a crib thing. It's like making like a contemporary home or cottage or something with a little bit of like his style twisted into it. It's really cool actually. And when you watch it, you're like, God, I want to hate this guy. But he's so cool. Dookie's got to pee. There you go. Come on, buddy. Good job. We're almost done, buddy. I know. You're too old for this. I was also thinking those time-lapse videos of the drive out. Maybe put it in the FJ. Face it into the cabin.
Yeah, for our conversations or something.
Yeah, it's just like time-lapse of us like talking and doing whatever. And get there.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Hey, guy.
Want to say hi?
You're a cutie. Yes. What a good boy. Ice cream boy.
Yeah. Yep.
Good boys.
Oh yeah. Have a nice walk.
The thing said that they had like 8+ miles of, that's pretty rich.
Yeah, if you add like all the little side trails in.
Yeah, like all the different, that'd be cool to do more groups here.
Yeah.
So this would be a pretty place.
I think we could customize the loop and take different pathways to stretch it out longer. This is the only loop that All Trails has on it, though.
This would be nice.
That's cool.
Let me get a picture of you and Dookie.
Stand out there and do some fly fishing with my boss. It's like a boat launch over there in the distance.
Yeah, there were pictures on All Trails of people like just floating down in trees and hanging on to black oil, but wow. That's really cool.
April 24th, 1900 to 1990. Yeah, I lived to be 90 years old. That's cool. Almost missed that sign. Good catch.
I don't know why I'm like drawn to gates like that. Like the open for the bed.
Yeah, I was thinking for the Isle Royal footage, like you were saying, an intro for the day, like, and then an outro.
Yeah.
But the rest of the time, I'll just wear the camera and like try to forget it's there.
Yeah.
That way it just like, you know, collects the data.
Do you think you would want to do like the actual walking part and time lapse or regular record?
Regular record.
Yeah, I think anything.
I believe it takes less data as well.
Yeah.
'Cause this camera makes you do 4K.
Yeah, I feel like if you wanted it to be like sped up, I feel like that's the way to do that.
Yeah, in the editing, I'm sure there's a way. I don't know how to do it, and I haven't exactly looked for it yet. Which, for this video, I'll be looking for it.
Yeah, but that's what I would say is like at the start of the day, maybe right before we pack up or something, just plan for the day, how many miles are ahead of us, like the trails, the miles.
Yeah.
And then like our end destination and set out on it, and then at the end of the day like a little recap. I'm really tired or I feel great. The trail was super hard today.
What I wish I had.
This was a challenge, that was a challenge. Yeah,
What I'm happy I have.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. The liquid IVs were definitely a game changer. Say we bring more than we did the next time. Maybe get Matt and Jackie to buy a pack, and then we'll buy the other pack. That way we got a bunch. That way if somebody needs extra, they can drink extra and just share back and forth.
I might want to research different filters as well.
Yeah.
That aren't like so hard to squeeze through. Aww. I'm like actually disappointed that the trail is over already. I feel like I could walk on this trail all day.
Yeah, it's a good trail.
Yeah, great trail. Really pretty. Really strong fall vibes. Especially with all the bridges. All the types of bridges. They had literally a suspended bridge, a covered bridge,
And a regular.
another nice regular bridge.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Yes.
Especially for a leisurely walk. You could make it harder and longer.
10 out of 10 for a day hike.
Everything.
All right, review time. What did you think of the trail?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Why?
The colors, that's all time, but like the trail was like wide, the leaves were everywhere. It smelled like leaves and nature and bonfires. Few people, but they were super nice.
The park
it was just
workers,
beautiful.
super nice.
Yeah, it's just beautiful. Real easy, leisurely walk, if that's what you're looking for, but yeah, I would
For a
compare-
day hike, definitely a 10 out of 10. Loved it.
Definitely.
The different bridges, the kind people,
Yeah.
kind workers. Just an all-around good experience.
Yeah, I was disappointed when it was over.
Yeah. I wish it was longer.
Yeah.
but I guess for most people 3 miles is a pretty good chunk of distance. So if 3 miles satisfies you, check this place out.
Do you agree? 10 out of 10.
I agree. 10 out of 10.
Come here again. I'd like to come here again and explore the other trails.
With the asterisk there, because it's a day hike. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
If it was backpacking, 10 out of 10, it'd be a 1.
Yeah,
but
I'm not
for a
backpacking.
day hike, awesome.
Yeah,
Loved it.
very much.
Well,
Ice cream?
ice cream. We're gonna go get ice cream now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. We would appreciate it. We want to go to other places.
Yeah,
And
if there's anywhere specific you want us to go, or anything certain, like, specific you want to see,
Yeah,
let us know.
yeah. Let us know. We might not be able to do it now, but
But
in the future,
it'll go on the list.
in the future, it'll be on the list of places that, when they become obtainable, we'll go to. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.